Hello students, welcome back to yet another concept of mathematics for grade 6, and this time we are going to talk all about fractions. Okay, now so far we have understood and have learned so many different type of fractions. We have performed so many operations over them, like we have done addition of fraction, we have done subtraction of fraction. Now I have a different concept over here, or a different topic, a bit different topic in fact, and this is like adding three fractions. Okay, so I'm going to talk all about adding three fractions. Let's try to understand this by an example. So say for an example, if you have to add and simplify, add three fractions, and let's try to simplify as well the same thing. Okay, so the first equation, or we can take a quick example as, say for example, we have 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon say 15. Okay, now as you can see that all the denominators over here are different, right? So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to find the LCM of these numbers, right? What is the lowest common multiple for all of these numbers? So let's try to understand. We will try to find out the LCM. We will take 5, we'll take 3, and we'll take 15, and we'll try to divide, or we'll try to find out the LCM. So the first number that I take is 2. Oh no, that's not possible. 3. So this 5 is going to be 5. 3 1s are 3, and 3 5s are 15. Okay, now if I move ahead, the next number is 5. I can see that 1 1 and 1. So my LCM is nothing more but a product of these two, that is 3 into 5, and that is nothing else but 15, right? So now that we know that our LCM is 15, you know how to convert these numbers into the LCM numbers. Okay, let's try to do that as well over here. So the first number is, I'll take it on the next page. So 2 by 5, I'll take it over here, 2 by 5, right? And I need to multiply it to something to get a 15 in the denominator. What can that be number? It has to be 3. Now if I multiply the denominator by 3, certainly I am going to multiply the numerator also by 3. Plus my next number is 2 by 3, right? So I'll have to write 2 by 3, and I have to multiply that. To convert this 3 into a 15, I'll have to multiply by 3 5s are 15, right? Copying the same number to the numerator as well. Since we have multiplied the denominator by 5, we are going to multiply the numerator also by 5. The third number is 3 by 15. So let's take the third one as well, 3 by 15. Now over here we see that the denominator is already 15, so we don't need to do anything into this, right? Now let's try to multiply or see what operations do we have. 2 3s are 6, right? We know that 2 3s are 6, and that can be written as 6 upon 15. 5 3s are 15, plus 2 5s are 10. 10 upon 15, and the third number is 3 upon 15. Now that since you have a common denominator 15 15 15, you can simply add them, right? So that can be written as 6 plus 10 plus 3 upon 15. Now what is that? 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 plus 3, that is 19, right? That is 19 upon 15. Now if you have to simplify this 19 upon 15, you have to see, or you have to divide 19 by 15. So you know that 15 1s are 15. Now after that, how many numbers remain? 16, 17, 18, 19. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that is the, over here 4 coming up, and then the denominator has to be kept as it is. So 4 by 15 is the ultimate output of the addition of fraction 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 15. You got that? I hope this method find you easy to process the sums. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye everyone.